you doing, man?
This thing pulls this up while pulling this part down. Okay, pull up that part up and then you pull it down. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's good. I would say pull the this one, pull it down, take a side step.
Make sure you don't touch anything on the driver's side, no hands out the window.
Alright, thank you.
And if you want to hold something, there's an oh shit handle right there.
Alright, thanks, man.
First time?
Yeah, first time.
Nervous?
Not really.
I'm nervous.
Don't say that. I trust you.
Don't tell me that.
Are you going on the inner bank?
Yeah, with passengers, they don't allow us to go on the big bank.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's an insurance thing. Do you want a 360 or normal drift lap?
Whatever you want, man.
You tell me.
What's better? You're the driver, bro.
Both are good. Just one is a 360 right here, and the rest is drift, or you could just go in fast. It's up to you.
Whatever, man. I'm up for whatever.
Make your mind up before we go.
Alright,
you choose. You tell me.
Yeah, 360.
I got 360. We'll do it right there where you're transitioning.
Alright.
My name is Mike. Nice to meet you.
Brian, man.
Brian or Ryan?
Brian.
Brian.
B-R-Y, yeah.
Let's do this.
You're a beast, dude. You are awesome.
I give people the choice, you know, normal or 360, and they're like, do 360. All right.
How long have you been drifting?
1 year.
Wow, that's impressive, man.
So how you do that is twist that to the right. Just twist it. Oh, there you go. Boom.
Oh, nice.
And you're free. Woo.
All right. You said Mike?
Mike.
Brian, man. Thank you.
Hopefully you have a good day.
Thank you.